Hello everyone, let us see how to download YouTube videos using Python in an easy way. So without wasting time, let's implement it. Make sure you have internet connection in your system. First of all, you have to install some packages. So I am opening the command prompt. I am writing here cmd in the search box and opening command prompt. Right here, pip install PyTube. Hit enter. Wait for some time. As I have already installed this package, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Also install PyTube 3. I'm writing here pip install PyTube 3 and hit enter. This package I have already installed, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now you have to open the Jupyter notebook and create the new file. Okay. Now write the following commands in the given sequence. First of all, we need to import the PyTube library and hit the run button. After that, copy the URL of the YouTube video and paste it here. I have taken the URL of one of my YouTube video. Okay. After that, hit in run button and then you have to pass the URL in one of the PyTube function, that is YouTube. Okay, and hit the run button. After that, you have to choose any one format of the stream. Here I have chosen the format first. Okay, and hit the run button. After that, you have to specify the location where you want to download the video. I have taken the D drive and the folder new. Okay, here write R for reading. Okay, and hit the run button. It will take some time. See, the video has been successfully downloaded in my folder. I will show you. I am opening the folder.
D drive, new folder, and this is the YouTube video.
Thank you for watching this video.